Wow! Look at this. This isn't plastic decoration. It is a 100% edible Christmas tree. Gorgeous and super healthy. And the best part, you can build this right now with simple fruits from your fridge. Let's see what we need. First is broccoli, acting as our foliage. It's packed with fiber and vitamin K, way better than plastic pine needles, right? Next are green grapes, little gems full of natural antioxidants. Make sure to choose a bunch with both big and small grapes. This is very important for shaping the tree later. Then we have the carrot, the silent hero that will act as the sturdy trunk. Next to it is the star fruit. For the ornaments, I'm using mini tomatoes. Pick both red and yellow ones to add vitamin C and lycopene. And finally, an apple for the base. Oh, don't forget the secret weapon to connect everything. A box of double-pointed toothpicks. Let's get to work. 4 tomatoes, remove the green stems. Check carefully, discard any soft ones immediately. We only keep the firmest fruits, so the tree lasts longer. Now for the star fruits. Cut off both ends of a star fruit. Then gently shave the 5 edges. This makes the slices look sharper and prevents browning. Green ones for decoration, and this juicy yellow one provides vitamin C as our top star. For the carrot, chop off the top to create a flat surface. This is a crucial connection point with the apple base. Now, peel the carrot clean. Many people use styrofoam cones for this, but I highly recommend using a carrot. Why? Because this is edible. The carrot is food safe for touching our fruits and strong enough to be the pillar. With the broccoli, cut off all the outer leaves. We are only keeping the florets to use. Since we are eating this dish raw, the cleaning process is the most important step. First, wash the star fruit. Make sure to scrub gently between the ridges. That is exactly where dirt likes to hide. Next is the apple. Just rinse it thoroughly under running water. For the carrot, since it's already peeled, just give it a quick rinse to wash off any stickiness. But for the tomatoes, be very gentle. Rub softly so you don't bruise that shiny skin or lose the stems. Especially this bunch of grapes. This is the trickiest part. Handle it with care, letting water flow through the gaps to wash away dust. Keep the bunch intact. Don't let those grapes drop. Cut the broccoli into pieces and wash them at the same time. Broccoli has many tiny gaps, so rinse thoroughly. And here's the most important step to make it safe to eat. Prepare a bowl of water, add 1 spoonful of baking soda and stir. This is the best natural sanitizer for veggies. Soak the fruits about 15 minutes. Baking soda helps remove pesticide residues and stubborn dirt. After soaking, take them out and rinse again with fresh water. Look, the fruits are now squeaky clean and 100% safe to enjoy. You can spread them on a large basket to dry quickly. The fruits must be dry so they don't slide off the toothpicks. Let's get started. Prepare a plate that is wide enough, then place the apples securely in the center to serve as the base of our tree. Insert 5 to 6 toothpicks deep into the thick end of the carrot to act as anchors. Make sure they are super tight. A solid foundation means our tree won't wobble when we decorate it later. Firmly plug the carrot trunk into the center of the apple. Frame done. Now start inserting toothpicks into the carrot trunk, and let's start planting our fruits. The golden rule remains: big at the bottom, small at the top. Alternate between the green grapes and mini tomatoes. Mix up the colors: green, red, yellow, so it looks dazzling, just like twinkling Christmas lights. Christmas is just around the corner, and the holiday spirit is in the air. Have you started decorating yet? Honestly, instead of fighting the crowds outside, I prefer staying in and making these cute little things for my family. There is something so therapeutic about carefully placing each grape and tomato. It's a great way to unwind after a busy year. It might look a bit messy at the start, but be patient. Keep stacking them upwards, and remember to choose smaller grapes for the top to create that tapered shape. The tree will gradually take shape. Just wait and see the final result. And usually, when I'm in the zone like this, I love listening to music. Speaking of which, I actually have a song, and I think the vibe fits perfectly right now. Let's listen to a snippet together while our tree grows. I hope this melody brings you some warmth.
The snow is falling soft tonight. Each flake a whisper, pale and white. The fire hums a quiet tune. The clock ticks slow, the year unwinds. Memories flicker in my mind. A winter moon.
Now, let's fill in those empty spots with our broccoli florets. This step is magic. It hides the toothpicks completely and gives our tree that lush, fluffy pine needle texture. Plus, that deep green backdrop makes the red and yellow ornaments pop even more. Slice the green star fruit into thin stars for decoration.
Christmas star.
And cut one beautiful, thick slice of yellow star fruit for the most important spot. Attach green star fruit slices randomly on the trunk. The star shape makes the tree look much more lively.
The streets are quiet, the world slows down.
Place a toothpick on the very top tip and mount the yellow star. Perfect! Continue adding broccoli bits or small grapes wherever you see a gap. The fuller the tree, the better it looks. Look at that! It's really coming together now, isn't it? Much better than the messy start. So, I have a question for you. On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate this edible tree? Drop your score in the comments below. I'm honestly super curious and a little nervous to see what score you guys give me. Finally, arrange the largest broccoli florets all the way around the apple base. This step is a game changer. It doesn't just hide the rough bottom, it visually grounds the structure. It creates a lush grass skirt, making it look like our tree is sprouting from a real garden floor, adding that final touch of stability and elegance. Add star fruit at the base, tuck in the remaining small broccoli, and we're done. No waste at all. And here is the final result. A stunning Christmas tree that is a feast for the eyes and the tummy packed with vitamins for the whole family. If you found this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on my latest tips. Thanks so much for watching. Definitely give this a try and let me know how yours turned out in the comments below. See you in the next video. Bye!